do this. Let's take the whole model, make sure the texture is applied, and then make sure there is no floating object, and make sure the emissive material apply properly. Okay, back to the main scene, go to window, go to model info, statistic, and purge unused to lighter the file size. Okay, and then make sure there is no hidden object by unhiding all model, and save it. And okay, just hit open and go to, okay, open it. Let's wait. Okay, loading is finished. Let's save the file firstly for alright. Let's continue the rendering. Let's go inside the model with fly mode. Okay, we can see the model. Let's turn down to 5 to get more accurate movement. Okay, let's change 80 and go to the image mode and change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Okay, we need to turn on the clip to get a better view, and turn on the grid to help us on making composition. Oops, it's bad. Okay, let's see if we have a better composition. So I want to take this window. Let's turn down the speed of navigation to 1 so we get more accurate movement. This is getting slow. Okay, adjust the angle, make sure it's on a good composition. Okay, I think it's good. Let's save the scene by clicking this button. Okay, and don't forget to save, and turn off the grid because we don't need anymore, and go outside from image mode. And let's start by changing material. First I will change this glass with a normal glass from the library. So let's change navigation to orbit, get more closer to the material that we want to change. Click normal, put it easy, and let's change this curtain so we can get a better sun rays to the room. Let's choose gray gauze curtain. Let's put it, and then white gauze curtain for this blind. Okay, and back to the main scene. And second material, I will change this floor. It should be 0 normal, specular 0.5, and then roughness, I think I want to make it a little bit gloss. Let's make it 0.2. Oh, it's too strong. Let's give this AI tool work. Let's wait, it's generating the texture. Okay, it's generate the normal, but we don't need the normal, of course, because it's a glass surface. Specular and roughness, I think I wanna make it 0.8. For now, let's set it to 0.8. And this 1, 2, let's make the AI generating. Okay, it's more faster. Normal 0, of course, because it's a glass surface. Specular 0.5, and then roughness 0.8, or maybe 0.9. Okay, and then let's change this wood texture. Let's generate the map by the AI tools. Okay, finish. Normal, it's too strong. Let's make it 0.1, and the roughness 0.3. Make it a little gloss. Specular 0.5. Make it more reflective. Alright, do the same with this material. A solid color doff material. Just hit on a parameter, normal 0, of course, specular 0.5, and then the roughness 0.3. Okay, do the same to this black color too. Just repeat the setting because it's a solid color setting. 0.3. Okay, nice. Next material is this chair, the wood texture. Let's let the AI work. It's generating. Finish. Let's make it 0.1 on a normal, specular 0.5, and roughness 0.3. Okay. And next we have this backsplash, and I want to make it glass like this top table. So let's start set this backsplash. Let's change it to gloss material, but let us use this AI tool. Okay, finish. Normal 0, specular 0.5, make glass, and roughness 0.2. Oh, that glass looks beautiful, love it. Let's try. How about 0.1? I love that glass. Let's keep it 0.2. Okay, and then we have this sink. Let's change it to metal material. Let's change it. I will use stainless. Where is it? Brushed stainless. Let's put it. Okay, nice. And then let's start setting the decoration. like this glass, this whiskey bottle. Let's turn off the clip, it's very annoying. Let's change this bottle to a real glass by using this material library normal glass. Then change this color, but I don't want to use a color setting, water setting, because it will look too transparent. So just make it transparent like this. It looks more volume from far. Let's give the transparency to 0.5. Okay, and let's change this meat. Let the AI work. Okay, it finished. Normal, specular 0.5 and roughness 0.52. So it looks better meat. And then this glass too, change to normal glass, make the object more realistic, and then change this open glass to normal glass so we can see through the open. And let's change the stove. Let the AI work, making the texture. Okay, specular 0.5 and roughness 0.2. I want to make it reflective. And then let's change this fabric on this chair. Let's see what we have on the material library. Let's see what we have here. That we have this light gray. I will try using it. Let's see. Let's scale it down. Okay, 5 is good. Let's see from the main scene. Okay, looks good. And let's set this paint, the wall paint material. Just click this AI button and make the AI fill the texture slot. Okay, it's filled. Let's see. Normal, make it 0.1, specular 0.3, roughness, let's make it 0.8, made it a little gloss. So we have material set, and let's move to image mode and go to HDRI. Let's change the HDRI map. I want to use my personal HDRI. Let's use it, and then change the skylight to 0.1, and then the background 0.12. Let's see, it's still too light. Let's make it 0.01. Okay, that looks better. Update the scene. and then set the sun, make it on, and change the direction to custom mode, and play with this altitude and azimuth location. I want to make it like this. Let's see the frame and adjust the altitude and the azimuth as well. Okay, let's make it hit the island and the chair as well, and turn down sunlight intensity to 0.1. Still looks too strong. Let's make it 0.05 instead. I think we need more skylight. Let's make it 0.3. How about 0.2? Little bit tweaking here on the skylight setting. I think 0.3 is better. Update the scene. Okay, and don't forget to save the file. Let's go outside from this image mode and let's set in the artificial light. So we have this parametric pendant light. Let's turn off the clip and then pick this emissive, turn it on. Okay, change the temperature to 3500. Okay, let's make it 10 intensity. Next we have this LED. Turn it on, change the temperature to 3.5K, make it warm and yellow. Let's see from far, from the main scene. I think we need more intensity because we need okay, I will keep it 10 for now, and then this small down light, turn on the emissive, change the temperature, and then turn up the intensity to 10. Okay, and this general light, just turn on the emissive and keep it white and turn up the intensity to 10. And next we have this wall panel LED. Let's turn it on, change the temperature. Let's see from far. Looks strong. Let's make it 10. Okay, looks beautiful. And then let's put the spotlight. Oops, let's turn off the clip. Very annoying. Put it, come on. Alright. A little bit cheating, make it closer to cabinet surface, and the radius should be turned down, and then turn on the intensity to 1. Change the temperature color 3.5K, maybe 3 intensity. Well, looking good. Yes, copy to the other spotlight, to here. Oops, move it. Make it closer to the surface. A little bit cheating is okay. Back to the main scene. This is it. Okay, looks good so far, but it looks too strong for me. Let's turn it down. Turn the intensity to 2 maybe, or 1.5, half value. I think we need more strong on this LED. Turn on the clip, pick it, come on. Maybe we need 15 intensity. Let's see, and let's set the effect. But first we have to move from editing mode to image mode. Go to effect, and then auto exposure, contrast, make it 0.1, and then white balance. Let's see, because it feels too blue, too cold. Wow, nice. 5500 I think is best value so far. Let's keep it, then give a bloom 0.5. Oops, too strong. Let's keep it 0.2. Let's flare 0.5, and vignette 0.5 to make it more dramatic, or maybe 0.3. Yeah, that's better. Save the scene, save the file, and let's test the render. I wanna render it on 720. I think it's enough for render test. Let's do this. It should be less than a minute, I hope. Let's wait. Like I said, it's less than a minute. Let's see the result. Let's analyzing the render sample. Let's see. This looks weak on a backsplash. The LED looks weak, and it looks too strong for me. Let's tweak it again. Let's tweak it, make it LED stronger. I don't know how much the power we need for this. Oh, we have to move to editing mode. Let's turn it up. Where is it? Maybe 35. I don't know. Looks so strong, by the way. And then let's change the spotlight. Feels too strong. Let's make it 1. Or maybe 0.5. It's okay. Let's tweak it. This is it. A second render. Environment is good. The effect is good. Let's render again. I hope it will be better. Let's wait. It's faster, by the way. Now it's 37 seconds. It's a 3 seconds faster. Let's see. I think we need to turn down this wall panel LED. Looks too strong, and this looks too strong now. Let's tweak it again. It looks too strong. Oops, turn off the clip. Let's make it 25 maybe. And then this one, let's make it 7. Or maybe 5. Yeah. 7. Okay. Run it again. It should be better now. Let's see the result. Okay, now it's quite good, I think. Yeah, looks better. Love it. Oh, this reflection looks strange. Okay, I will try to fix it. Change this specular to 0.01 or maybe 0.02. Okay. This one too. I will make the composition better. Let's turn on the grid. Flying mode. Let's make a perfect line. Okay, I think it's perfect. Okay, let's render it with full resolution, with a 4K resolution, and then additional channel, ambient occlusion and reflection, and we will compositing this channel on Photoshop. So now let's render this scene. Firstly, it should be around 5 minutes. Let's start it and let's wait until 5 minutes later. So it's finished. It's 5.5 minutes. Let's see the result. Okay, looks detailed and main image, and this is ambient occlusion and the reflection. So let's open up in Photoshop, but first we have to close this D5 because I have to conserve my computer resource. Let's close this. Don't forget to save and open up the pot. Okay, first thing to do on Photoshop, go to the image, change the mode to 16 bits, and then convert the main image to a smart object, and then go to filter, camera raw, and just hit this auto button. Okay, it's nice. With basic, vibrance 20. Okay, it looks better with vibrance and saturation, and make the texture stronger. I'd love to use 20 value on a texture. And clarity 10, and then clarity 10, and D has 5. I think we don't need saturation. Make it 0. Vibrance okay. So the color composition is good for me. And let's go to add another render element. Start with reflection. It will make us have more dramatic reflection. So let's change the layer mode to color dodge, screen color dodge looks too strong. Screen color dodge. Let's try this color dodge and add, and turn down the opacity to 30. Looks strong here. Turn it down again. %. Okay, looks nice, but we have to turn down the highlight. Let's turn down, compress the highlight. I think -50 is enough. Okay, and then let's put ambient occlusion to add more depth on the image. Let's put it and change the layer mode to soft light, and turn down the opacity to 50, not 50, I think. Let's see, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. I think 20 is good. Okay, let's save the PSD file so we can tweak it later if we don't satisfied with current result. Save the PSD. So this is the final image for this rendering. I hope it helpful for you guys. Now I will turn on my camera. So this is the ending of this video. By the way, I will share this project file so you can download it. It will be attached on description. So if you want to download this project file, just check the description. There is a limited download link. It will disappear later, so make sure you grab it fast, and then stay tuned to my channel so you can find more videos like this. And I hope you support this channel by like and maybe share this content to your friends if they need this content. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video, guys. Bye bye. See you, guys.